In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your pages on your website. So let's navigate over to our website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left-hand side. And now I'm going to manage my pages. I've got my home page and I've got account pages, but I want to add a few more pages to my website. To do that, I'm going to click on my page manager on the top left-hand side. And from here, I'll be able to manage all of my pages. So I can add new pages. So let's just call it new page. That's fine. I'll be able to give it a title as well. And I'm just going to call that new page as well. Then in my settings, I can choose to allow indexing. I can choose whether or not this page is enabled. I can choose whether or not I want to include it in the menu. And I can choose whether or not it's published. So if you want to work on a page for a while before publishing it, then you can leave it unpublished until it is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and publish this page though. I can also update my availability, but I do need to save the changes to this page. So this page actually needs to be created in the system before I can update the availability of this page. And then I have my advanced settings over here, which is my SEO settings. So I'm not going to go into that in this video. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So now I've created a new page. I can move this page around to different locations in the menu. So I don't necessarily want this to be underneath my account page because currently you'll see I've got home, account, new page. So maybe this is an about page and I actually want it to be next to my home page. So I'm going to move it up there and then I'm going to save those changes. So I've got home, new page, and account. So I can do a number of other things. I can navigate to my pages from the page manager. So if I click on new page, I've got my new page. I can go ahead and add a new template. Let's make it cakes and do all of that, publish the page, and then go back to my page manager. That's my navigator, sorry, my page manager. And then I can also do other things. I can edit the page name. So instead of it being new page, I can go in and edit all of those settings. So I can say that this is actually my about page and I want the title to reflect that as well. And then in my settings, I can go ahead and change those. And now I can change my availability because this page has been created. So if you have pages that you only want to be available to certain users in your system, you can go and limit the availability of your pages here. I'm going to leave that as is though, and I'm going to save the changes I just made to my about page. Now I can also go ahead and clone pages. So if I want to clone my about page, I can do that here. And anytime I make any changes here, I do want to save those changes. Now I do want to go ahead and delete that page because I don't actually want a clone of my about page. So I'm going to go ahead and hit delete. Once I've deleted something, it's going to be moved to the trash section over here. You'll see I've got my about one that has been deleted. I can go ahead and restore this page. So it'll be moved back to my pages section. But if I delete it again and I come here to my trash icon, I can either delete just that one page or I can go ahead and delete all of my pages. So that is how you can go ahead and delete pages. I can also go ahead and change which page is my home page. So I can go and say that this about page is now my home page. And anytime someone navigates to my home URL, they'll be taken to my about page and not to my home page. I can change that as well. You can also change whether or not these pages are visible. So I can choose to have my about page be not visible. You'll see it's removed from my menu up there. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as visible and save those changes. You'll see that I'm also able to manage and navigate to different system pages here within my page manager as well. So if I want to go to my catalog, I can come here and edit the way that my catalog page is going to look. And this is a system page. So anytime someone navigates to my catalog, this is just a basic overview of what the page is going to look like, but I can come in and change the background of the block and customize this to fit my branding. And of course, if I want to change anything in my page manager here, so if I want my about page to be a child of my home page, you'll see that when I save those changes and I exit out of this, that my home page has now become a parent page to my about page. And when I hover over that, I would then be able to navigate to my about page. So that is how you can make child pages as well. You just click and drag them to where you want them to be. And when you're happy with all of that, you can simply go ahead and save your changes. And that is everything you need to know about managing your pages. And now you know absolutely everything you need to know about the Page Designer in order to set up beautiful and responsive web pages for your business. Congratulations on completing this training. We cannot wait to see what you create.